If you would like to know more about Lord Shri Krishna, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.
Now, what type of sufferings do we have? The Shastra talk about 7 types of suffering. Janam, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. Janam means birth. Mrityu means death. Jara means old age. Vyadhiya means problems, which may be in form of disease or anything. Now, these Vyadhis are 3 types. 3 types of problems. First, second and third. Adi Daivik, Adi Bhautik, Adi Atmik. Now try to understand first. Adi Daivik, nature. California, earthquake prone. Right? East, Florida down, tornado prone. Got all these things? Nature, too much of rains, no rains, too much of heat, too much of snow. These are all by nature. They are called Adi Daivik. Number 2, like today was really a hot day. Next, Adi Atmik. That means by your own body and mind. Remember one thing, tension is one thing which you have created yourself. There is a difference between 2 Sanskrit words. Tension and dukh is not the same. Tension and suffering is not the same. Please remember one thing. Tension which you have called upon yourself. I'll explain about these 2 words also, don't worry. And the moment you understand the meaning of tension and suffering, then you will understand, oh my God, what am I doing? You are actually, you invite suffering in your life. Next, Adi Bhautik, by different living entities. Virus, bacteria, mosquito, or any living entity, including your competitors. है ना? Sometimes people talking ill of you. You suffer due to that, but that can be finished in 1 minute. Remember one thing, you can only be troubled as much as you want to be troubled. Remember one thing, if someone abuses you, right? And you don't take it as an abuse. I was giving a lecture in a Chartered Accountants Institute in Bombay. So a boy there, a youngster, he asked me, these people keep troubling me. What should I do? I said, don't get bothered. When if you don't get bothered, they want to trouble you, and if you get bothered, they think they're successful. Now you don't get bothered, they'll fail. They become failures. They'll rip their hair, and they say, my God, this person we want to trouble him and he's not getting troubled. So remember one thing, you can be only unhappy as much as you want to be. Remember one thing in life. Yes, that's why I said that is basically Adi Bhautik. There also, there is a way to control it. You can make a mole into a mountain, or you can keep a mole and go for cure. Go for cure. You have to take care of this body. Remember one thing, I said this body is less important. The zeros are not, try to understand, the zeros are important. The zeros are important, but they are important if they are helping the 9. If they are not helping the 9, the zeros are not important. In the same way, this body is important. I never made this comment that body is not important. I said the body is less important, but it is important. It is important. So you have to take care of this body. When we'll be talking about karma and coming on this level, then you'll understand. That time you'll understand that you have to take care of this body also. But most of our tensions, which I'll talk tomorrow, because your tension is something which is really, stress is good, tension is bad. I would like to work on it more on karma when I come on the 5th or 6th day on karma. When I talk on karma, then it will be more easier for you to understand. Otherwise, it will become difficult for you to understand this moment. So in the same way, sometimes you get fever. Some people take it, oh, I'm so sick, and he becomes depressed and all that, right? And some people take it, you get over, right? I'll take medicine. Now there are 2 types of people. You have these type of people or not? Mountain out of a mole, they make it like this.